I'm Joan Meseguer from the Valenciaport Foundation. I'm ICT project manager. Our role in the project is to install several sensors in the city and measure the tourist flows. Those sensors will measure these tourist flows, and we will develop as well the HERIT-DATA platform that will use big data techniques. We will use these big data techniques in order to analyze tourism flows and to know from those tourists which are coming from the cruises. Yes, because the port of Valencia is a very important stop for cruises, and suddenly you have thousands of tourists, and in a sense you need to let's say monitor the effects of these sudden crowded places because of the tourism from cruises. For us it's really important to preserve the heritage, the cultural and heritage buildings, while giving a very nice experience for the tourists, yes, in their visits. For that, we are going to use the sensors that we are going to install, and also the big data platform that we are going to develop.